Goal. Goal.
Massive controversy down in MOBAY. And me know right now, so the MOBAY supporters must feel like so they get blatantly robbed. This is match day 2 review of the Jamaica Premier League. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Sorry. Just something. Hey. All right. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for joining. I'm here. Tell us a crazy weekend in the Jamaica Premier League. Vere Phoenix first win, and unfortunately, Portmore United. Not a defeat for Portmore United. Bad start to the season. Horrible start to the season. But there's still a lot of positives. Still a lot of positives. MOBAY United. All is not lost. All is not lost. And I do think that all of you must have escaped that feeling that, you know, we got away with one. Take the 3 points and we move on. Big up on yourself, people. Please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're going to get into the details. We're going to run through the show. Big up on yourself, people. Let's start off with the games over the weekend. Where is it? Let me just bring that up so you can see it. Games them over the weekend. I'm going to show you the games them, give you my reaction to some of the games them, and also the games that I was at, which is the Vere Phoenix and also the Portmore Cavaliers game. We're going to look at the table, what the table look like for the start of the season, and also we're going to look at the team of the week and the selection process for the team of the week. Then now we're going to go into a little bit in regards to the MOBAY United Above You game. Was not at the game, we got the clippings, heard the discussion, so we'll get into that. Let's start off first with the results in midweek. Well, let's get not midweek results still. All right, so first game of the day was the Racing versus Dumbo Holding. Big 3 points Racing. And I know people are gonna say, boy, what really are going, because for those who don't know, Dumbo Holding, Philip Williams just stepped down from Dumbo Holding. Racing United, after that defeat to Racing United. I'm really unsure what's going on there. Hopefully, just hopefully, nothing is really wrong. But it's a part of the game. It is a part of the game. That's how football is. That's how football is structured. So Racing United secured their first 3 points against Dumbo Holding. Basically at Racing home, the game played over Ferdinata, which, you know, so Racing and Ferdinata, Racing and Portmore share the same venue. Next up, we have is the game that we attended, which is the Vere Phoenix versus Mullines, or Mullines versus Vere Phoenix. We're going to touch a little bit in detail with this game because we're at the game. Vere Phoenix securing their first 3 points of the season, defeating Mullines 3-1. And let me tell you, people, the game was not necessarily a reflection of the scoreline. Most definitely, I do believe that Mullines wasteful, very wasteful in front of goal. They got quite a lot of opportunities. Vere Phoenix definitely put away their opportunities, and I thought that the youngsters from Mona did put on a good show, and Denzel McKenzie, Rabino Garden, they did really put on a proper showing, I have to say. But even Carlton Brown as well, I thought he played well. But I have to sort of give respect to I think it's Javon Brown and also Jeremy Nelson. Thought they played well for Mullines. Unfortunately, I did not like what I saw from From Jason Wright. I expected a lot better from Jason Wright, especially finishing. Come on, Jason, those are your bread and butter. On a normal day, Jason Wright should be putting those away. On a normal day, I think he'll be putting those away. Unfortunately, he did not so. So, Lenny Hyde and Craig Butler secured their first 3 points of the season. It's a good look, in a celebratory mood after the game. Oh, that's good. Let's see. It's a long season. But my Lions look disappointed, look a bit defeated after the full-time whistle. So let's see how that one materializes. Next up is Portmore United versus Cavalier. Cavalier versus Portmore United. You see, I don't like to cover the games them with Portmore play. I really like cover. So I like to guard the Portmore game them go make me nice and sit down and watch as a spectator. I like watch the Portmore games them as a spectator, or me can make me nice and cuss and shout. I like them game them. I prefer to do that rather than go there and work. I find it hard to be balanced. Really hard, because I always go look for the positives. I will always look for the positives. But let me be honest. I thought that the first two results, it's not me. This is not me searching for positives. But first two games Portmore United plays was very unfortunate. They played two teams that are the two top teams in the country, going for the titles for the past couple of seasons. So it's really difficult for me to give a proper conclusion of what's really happening. Secondly, I thought that we played very well in the second half versus Cavalier, even though we opened the scoreline first. Cavaliers kind of I think Cavaliers played some very good football in the first half. I thought we played better in the second half, but we still couldn't capitalize on it. Nevertheless, where results are concerned, it's tough. Both Mount Pleasant and Cavalier, they're in season already. They have them pre-season earlier because they are playing at the CCCC or the CCC, the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup. So them actually started a earlier season. Luckily, we're not going to play on it next week. Luckily, we'll play on a different team, so we probably can see if we can secure 3 points here. But nonetheless, I do think that the two teams that we've played against so far, they look better than us. They look sharper than us. They look match fit, match ready than us. But I do see there's one and two positives. As specifically in the second half, where we're trying to do a few things. A lot of sideways passing, though. I do think we need to get back the striker in. Of course, we need to do that. Hopefully, by the end of October, we might see October, early November, we might see Walsh at the helm. Nevertheless, that is football. Not all the results will go our way. Next up is Umberline FC versus Tivoli Garden. I did not get to see the game. Game ended 0-0. I expect that Umberline should definitely secure points at home. That's a team that tends to secure points at home. And you know, normally I'm sitting in a low block. But I hope that that's the case. I hope they come kind of different this year. But we'll see how the game, the season proceeds. So both the points shared at Umberline. Next up, let me bring up the next. Where is it? Next result now. Final result of the week. Mount Pleasant didn't play because, you know, the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup stuff that was taking place. This is a big controversial game now, people. So much things are being said about the game. Harbourview going away. So first of all, let me say this. This is a big 3 points for Harbourview. Leaving out at town, all the way to MOBAY will secure 3 points. This is big 3 points. First 3 points of the season. Not the best start versus Chapelton Maroon. And then now going away from home to secure their 3 points versus MOBAY United. And a flying MOBAY United coming off a 4-1 victory over Vere Phoenix. So it's big. Now, let's get into the discussion of some of the aspects or what we saw in some of the games or in the game based off the clips that we were sent. So let me just see if we can bring this one back up. Let's have a look at it, people. Let me just put it on mute. So this is one of the incidents in the game, and they said it was offside. Honestly, it was not offside. As you can see here, let me just bring it back. Ball hasn't played as yet. I put it where the ball play. Alright, see the ball play there now. You can't see the ball now here. Which means, obviously, it's all white behind the ball here. Let's continue to play here. Alright, so, which means that this player who is leaping to win the ball, obviously, is onside. And he plays across the goal. And a tap in there, 100%. That is 100% a clean goal. No, it was ruled for offside. I'm unsure why. I think referee blundered there. Very unfortunate for MOBAY United. Definitely, we need to highlight these things. People are going to say, boy, MG rate. No, we need to highlight these things. A bit of fortune there for Harbourview, and very unfortunate for MOBAY. Let's see if we can go on another aspect of what something is that we see. Next goal. Let's get to that. Where is it? So it's another situation. Let me see if I can pause it. All right, so I'm just make it a little bit bigger, people. My apologies on that. I'm just make it a little bit bigger. All right, so let me see if one can see now. So let me see if I can play it. All right, so ooh, that's actually a really good goal. All right, see there now. This one kind of a little bit harder to see. All right, so you can see the goal scorer here. Now the middle between the two centre backs. Ball play out. See the goal scorer in the middle between the two centre backs. And ball play over the top. So you can see my peel off. My peel off left the two centre back. Then peel off. Then a brilliant header. That's actually a very, very good header. It's a really good header. And hit the back of the net and flag raised up. You can see the frustration there as the flag goes up. Crowd a cheer. But unfortunately, they did not see the flag. But the players saw the flag going up. Let's have a look at the one of the goals scored by View. Actually, a really good goal. Brilliant work. Here it goes. Defender tried to clear the ball. Win inside. Let me see if I can. All right, so let me play it. Nice bit of play here. Good bit of intricate link-up play here. Nice bit of work there. And brilliantly finished. That's a very, very, very good goal, people. A really, really good goal. So that game ended 2-1 in favor of View. Big 3 points for View. Quite unfortunate where the goals were denied is concerned. So those are the only clips that I got. So that's the reason I can only share those clips with you guys. But nevertheless, game week 2 finish. Game week 2 finish, controversy, everything. But it's a good look. It's a really, really good look. And season start off with a bang, and I'm loving what I've seen. I really, really love what I'm seeing so far. So this concludes game week 2 match review and coverage in some aspect. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. Like, share, and subscribe, people. Don't do anything already. Know what I mean? Don't do anything already. Like, share, and subscribe. We outside.